Welcome to this video on oneness in marriage. The core message is clear. The closer each spouse moves toward God, the closer they move toward one another. True oneness isn't about chasing each other, but rather cultivating a shared life by chasing Christ together. Oneness begins with God. While society emphasizes spending time together or sharing interests, Scripture teaches that our primary focus should be a shared pursuit of Him. This is the foundation upon which true, lasting unity is built. As Matthew chapter 6 verse 33 reminds us, when we seek first His kingdom and His righteousness, everything else finds its place. By prioritizing God's kingdom, spouses adopt His character, learning to love, forgive, and serve just as Christ does. Think of marriage like a triangle with God at the top. As a husband and wife both move upward toward Him, they naturally draw closer to each other. This transformation happens in our own hearts as we pursue Christ individually and together. Obedience to God produces unity in our homes. By keeping His commands, we replace negative traits like bitterness and pride with love, patience, and grace. Submitting to the same authority brings a profound sense of peace. Becoming one flesh, as mentioned in Genesis, is about much more than physical intimacy. It is a comprehensive unity of spirit, mind, heart, and purpose. It is about worshiping, learning, and fulfilling God's calling side by side. The goal of a biblical marriage is Christlikeness. Instead of asking how a spouse can make us happy, we should ask how God can use our relationship to refine us. This perspective turns conflicts into growth and replaces judgment with grace. To practically grow in this oneness, we can pray and read Scripture together, worship at church, and make decisions based on biblical principles. By confessing quickly and serving one another with humility, we actively encourage each other's spiritual growth. Thank you for watching this video on cultivating oneness in your marriage. For more resources on this journey, please visit our website,